Yo guys, what's up? Today I made around $6,000, but unfortunately I'm so sick, so I was not able to live stream this. But you can see here executions. If we go trade of it, as you can see, Google over here, I'm gonna refresh TradeZilla, trade of it as well, as you can see, so everything is legit. I made around 6.3k. I'm gonna walk you through what I was looking for. You can also follow my X. I'm gonna share all of my profits and everything here. But yeah, let's go here to the trading. Oh my god, where it is. Okay, so here is trading view. Okay guys, so first we are gonna start from the hard time frame because I just want to make something clear. So we are inside of this move over here. So we had market crash. So this is the high and this is the low. And a lot of people these days, oh my god, I don't know guys what's happening right now. I'm glitching a lot because I'm so sick, like I forgot how to speak. But okay, alright, so we are inside of this range over here, and the thing is, a lot of people are losing because we are stuck in this range. So everything in between is basically just a range. So you can see market can clearly go and take out this high, and market can clearly go and take out this low. But we are not 100% sure, and the thing for that is because we are just ranging. So I'm gonna take all of my trades inside of this range based off momentum and volatility in the market, and that is exactly what happened today. So I marked this high as an only draw liquidity because I think that we are truly bullish right here. We are expecting new week opening gap, and we are also disrespecting all the bearish fairly gaps. So with that in mind, like market is telling me, I don't need to predict, I don't need to like guess where the market is gonna go. I know that market for sure is gonna be bullish at least to this high. After that, I don't know, but I know for sure that market is gonna go to that high. Yeah, I know for sure the market is gonna go to that high right now. So if we go to the lower time frame, I'm gonna just replay real quick so you can see basically what I was looking for. This is 9:30, and as you can see, I took a trade somewhere around 9:50. If yeah, 9:50. So I'm gonna play the price. You can see, boom, sweep of liquidity over here. That is exactly what I was looking for. So I was looking for something like this, sweep of liquidity, aka manipulation of the price, and we have still this bullish fairly gap respecting this one. This one got disrespected only because we needed to collect some liquidity. Market was just too high, like so high in the range, and we needed to sweep at least some sort of liquidity, which was this obvious low. Then if we scale lower to the 1 minute, a lot of my students lost today. Like a lot of my students lost on this trade over here because they took this trade immediately. But the thing is, I didn't like this fairly gap. Like, the reason for that was because we inverted this fair value gap, and I just wanted to see like a little bit more of rebalance. So this was around 9:30, 9:45, but I wanted to see a little bit more of a closure on the 1 hour candle over here to see if this is gonna get respected, and that is the main reason why I wanted to wait a little bit more. Like I said, I'm gonna rather miss this trade over here than like trying to catch this move over here, and as you can see, everybody lost. But that's just like some sort of experience. If you took this trade, like, it's not that big of a deal, it's a valid trade, but still I didn't like it because of my experience. Then we have another trade over here, inversion here, inversion here. But the thing is, why I didn't take this trade over here, again the same reason goes, because we took already this break even level, as you can see. So this is break even, and market took break even and gave us an entry model, and that is exactly why it lost. And a lot of my students ask me, Beppo, why it lost. This is the reason. So guys, next we have this fair value gap over here. So look at this right now. This is like 9:50. Macro time starts, reversal time in the New York M session starts. On the 1 hour, we can see that we are respecting all those bullish fair value gaps and shaping the liquidity. So this is looking very bullish right now. And then I basically told myself, I wanted to say that I told everyone, but I didn't told. I literally like told to myself because I was not streaming. I was so sick. I still am, and I told to myself, like, if I see candle smashing through this fair value gap, like, I'm gonna take longs no matter what, because this is looking so bullish. Look at this. On this closure, we had a wick over here. On this closure, we had a wick over here. But on this closure, this is like crazy momentum showing you the bullish trend. There is no manipulations, like this is pure market volume to the upside. And I like to trade based on the volume and momentum in the market. I placed my stop loss here. I got beautiful fill somewhere around here, and my TP1 was 1 to 1, and then my last TP was here, buy side liquidity. And unfortunately guys, I only took 1 for 1 because I was like recording for my Instagram and my students this trade over here, and unfortunately I exited the full position, which is a little bit unfortunate, but it is what it is. I still made $6,000 on the day, so I'm gonna just replay the price. And also not only, also one thing that you need to keep in mind: standard deviation. So you always use standard deviation. I have a video on my main channel of that when you have the last manipulation move. So this is -2, -2.5, like this. Market should go here, so let's play the price. That's it. Look at this, nice trade. I got literally the perfect move, the right move. That's why I like to trade with momentum, with volume, because usually when you are trading with momentum and volume, you're gonna catch the right move of the day, like you're gonna get your piece of the cake, and then you can close the charts. And as you can see, market is right now stalling around, which is completely fine. Garbage price action, trash price action, because we already took the liquidity and made manipulations. So guys, you need to close the charts. If you made this trade over here, that's fine. Generally it come back tomorrow, but don't force any trades because all of the drones on liquidity are taken. So yeah guys, that's gonna be it for today's recap, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Peace.